In this video, I want to talk about how you can dropship using AliExpress. Now, AliExpress is one of the most popular ones for dropshipping, so let me quickly give you a short guide. Now, the first thing you want to do is create your online store. So simply just use anything. Most people use Shopify because there's many add-ons you can put in there to help with dropship, but you can do whichever one. After that, look for products and suppliers. I suggest just going to AliExpress Dropshipping Center, or you can use some other one, but this will be fine. And it's gonna look like this. Just search for the Dropshipping Center. And in here you can find many things and suppliers. And once you've done that, you wanna import products. So use an app. There's many different apps for this, depending on which site you're using, that can import the products easily from AliExpress. After that, what you want to do is market your store. So you want to promote it using either social media, or you can use it on a blog or YouTube. And after that, you just want to fulfill the orders. So that's basically how it works. Of course, this is a very simple and short version. So if you need any help, you should check in depth with any of these. And that's basically how it works. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton.